Hi everyone, it's Burak from Trading Channels. Today I'm going to talk about Tesla. First, we will start with long-term view, and then I'll come to that much more short-term and medium-term view. On the long term, we had the blue major resistance back in 2022. Some of you may remember November 2021. This blue resistance held, and this is when I said, okay, this is a major potential reversal point. And it's almost like Elon Musk was hearing me. He sold, some of you also may remember, he sold a big chunk of his Tesla to pay his very fat tax bill. And from there, it started coming down from 420 and it dived all the way to 101. That was quite astonishing. And then it started climbing again, came back down again, got to that red major resistance rail. Look at this. It was quite astonishing in terms of how it reacted every time it tested that red resistance. Finally, we broke it back in 2024 October. That's when things started climbing. And then it pulled back during 2025, obviously Trump tariffs, etc. But it came back all the way to where it all started, that red resistance break. We back tested that level, and from there, I started telling our members we should start accumulating. And it's not only this red support; it was also this golden 1, 2, 3, 4 touch support that held. And that level was 225. And then it started climbing to 300 plus, 360, 70. And before that, before it started climbing, as you can see, so I'm going to zoom out a little bit and to show you that this green sideways channel was broken, and even that one got back tested. Every single time it was bought, forced onto this blue resistance, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches. And then finally, on 11th of August, we cleared that blue resistance. We just back tested it, and it is also this black uptrend that is providing some support. So this was a double support yesterday, which again I told our members that we should be buying this bounce. And clearly today the market is following what Jay Powell is going to say. And of course, there are some hints that the interest rates are going to drop. Dow Jones is breaking out big time. SPX, Nasdaq, they're all rocketing, and which I explain also in the daily videos every morning by Trading Channels. Now, coming back to Tesla, I think if this support is holding, this double support, I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. This blue plus black double support is holding, which is why we have a bounce. And the obvious target is the black top band, which is a new all-time high at just around 500. That's my target. So if you are buying here, your stop would be, 330, 310, just below this double support. And your target would be 390 plus. Okay, so it's quite a clear picture. Does it have to work? No. If it fails, if it drops back below this blue black, you get out. Simple as that. This is the trading setup. This is a long setup, and this is offering a massive reward to risk ratio. All right, guys, take care. Keep in touch.